Good morning, MacGyver Sharon here. Well, I've got solar panel 1 up. Today I'm going to work on getting solar panel 2 up. I get easily distracted, so I had to do something else before I finish squirrel. But hey, check out this hat. Somebody sent this to me. It said it was from Santa. I'm not that gullible. I know Santa lives in the North Pole, and I saw the return address. So, shout out to Georgia. I love this thing. Check it out. Let's see if I can get it. Ta-da! It lights up. Thanks, Georgia. Shout out to Georgia. Shout out to GVN. Go GVN! Hoorah! Anyway, today I wanted to do a quick video on how I rebuilt the side of my truck. I was going through my stuff that I've accumulated since renting that room, and I had bought this IKEA thing, this cabinet. I'll insert a picture here, but it just didn't work out. But the top of it, the wood on it, was so nice I couldn't throw it out, so I repurposed it. So check it out. This is the IKEA cabinet that I bought secondhand that just didn't fit into my truck, so I couldn't use it. So what I did was I took it apart, used some of the wood, and I put this, I saved the top. This is the top. This is the nice wood. So this is what I'm using to rebuild the side of my truck, the truck table. So that's that. Alrighty then. I'm also using the scrap stainless steel pieces of work and putting this as support onto the floorboard. Okay, I got the main part of the cabinet done. The table I was redoing inside my truck. So here it is. This piece of IKEA furniture that I got and would never fit in my truck. And since I'm getting rid of stuff, and I cut it up. So there's my table all across the back. And this is above the tire well. That was there before, only it's a little higher now, more level. I'll be able to store my shoes underneath these baskets. There's 2 of them. Will fit right there. And I've got this leaned back just a little bit, just in case I have overpilage, like a junk drawer, and things won't fall out. Tight fit. And my mats will go down on top, of course, but I have this keeping this stable. I have, if you had to split it in half, so it's all screwed to this wood board as usual, This is where my refrigerator, which is right here, sits. Enough space right here to put a blanket and the Reflectix over it for when I'm in the sun. There's that silly goal 0. And I have a little base on. So, some aftershocks. Yay! Kind of like loopers. I'm at the free car wash place. I still have to cut the mats out to fit around my new pedestals and my securedness. But, come on, that's way better than the plywood, huh? Oh, it's so good. Gotta get my refrigerator back in. Alrighty then. I guess I'll make this the ending. Haha! Peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all take care of yourself out there.